Wheelchair is the main device which used by people with disability to mobilize their daily living. What if this device alone are not considered to be the best solution for the general mobilization problem of such users? They can suffer muscle fatigue, limited in movement and functions. It can be unhygienic and can cause stigmatism, or it can be hard to adapt and dangerous. From Holy Angel University in the Philippines, this is Brian Altes. Together with my colleagues, we are going to show you a great solution that will be provided by a visionary company, the Munevo. The first known dedicated wheelchair was made for Philip II of Spain by an unknown inventor in 1595 and called an invalid's chair. Since first production of wheelchair is designed for general purpose, a lot of limitations arise and cannot cater for all the different users. Also, the maneuvering capability must be done using physical force. Over time, wheelchairs evolved from manual operation going to powered wheelchair, mobility scooter, single-arm drive wheelchairs, standing wheelchairs, sports wheelchair, and the most advanced, the smart wheelchair, which is controlled by computer. By the year 2000, there are about 1,675,000 wheelchair users in the world. In the same year, there are already 155,000 users of power wheelchair, which consist of 6% of the total wheelchair user population. Because of increasing demand year over year of power wheelchair user, the birth of Munevo arise. Founded in March 2018, the company supports people with special needs by using a new and innovative technology in smart wheelchair applications. A group of students from TU Munich researches about the possible application of Google Glass. It motivates the team to use the Google Glass to drive wheelchair and makes them the first to innovate in this field, a hands-free power wheelchair. Taking into consideration of their challenges, they focused on the innovation of the product and fell short in establishing the real identity of the company. Just like renting a taxi and telling the driver your destination, but you haven't secured your path, the driver will not know the way and you will be heading nowhere. Establishing a generic business strategy is also important to know the direction of the functional department like finance, operations, sales, and marketing. How to get Munevo's product to the US? What approvals are required? How long will that process take and what resources are needed? How to distribute the product? How would US insurance providers be involved from a reimbursement standpoint? How to market the product and who to target?
This is Sandra Sikat Rokal, and I will show you the external forces acting upon Munevo that equates to their threats and opportunities. Competitors are alternative products with a lot of cons listed like unhygienic and stigmatizing, limiting in movements, and no show of direct competitor that makes their position in the market stronger. Distribution issues are trading low between US and Germany and selecting proper distribution channel. Technology being used is unique and hard to imitate, like high-end Bluetooth technology. Easy adaptation within 20 seconds compared other similar products, and overall cost savings over time. Major uncertainties fall under the reimbursement plan of whether private or public insurance company to purchase their product. Potential partners are US distributors of medical equipment for faster US market penetration. Now, let's take a look on their internal analysis that will showcase the company's strengths and weaknesses. The company was initially established in Germany and plans to penetrate US market. The product portfolio is currently focused on wheelchair application of the glass as wheelchair controller and with possible market opportunity on robotics and smart home application. Employee skills are highly innovative, dominated by information technology and engineering.
And now we proceed on analysis of causes. Hi, this is Peter Gamboa, and I'll be showing you Vimo Crapis Patres as our framework.
The vision is to become an innovative solution for mobility improvement that is globally available and a top choice by patients for improvement of life quality. The mission is to provide wheelchair control that allows hands-free mobility to persons with special needs, enabling them to become more independent and connected in the community as well as in digital environment. We developed 3 strategic objectives, and these are: first is to be consistent top choice in market of every country having high demand for wheelchair control in 2024. Second is to penetrate US market through partnership with key medical equipment distributor. Third is to establish relationship with US insurance healthcare provider that will apply reimbursement purchasing. And to further strengthen the strategic objectives, we added additional objective to provide a 5 years forecasting model that will determine the market potential and units to be distributed. The first key result with performance indicator is to intensify partnership and linkages with distributors and must achieve business continuity plan or BCP improvement and 100% attendance on the chosen convention. The second is to establish quality customer satisfaction and must overcome global benchmark of healthcare net promoter score of 71%. Third is to forge business rapport and must generate high quality and quality signed memorandum of understanding or memorandum of agreement. Fourth is continuous innovation of product technology that will be shown with improved product features and new product line through horizontal integration. And then lastly, a 5 years production model of units that must be structured forecasting model based on established data.
Let's now focus on the buttress of each objectives to give details on what to do and what to achieve.
For the first objective, the company must collaborate with marketing BPOs for promotion and advertising of the product to potential distributors and direct consumers, and must identify top 3 BPOs specializing in advertising and promotion and digital marketing, including search engine optimization or SEO and social media, with experience on medical equipment marketing, then set an appointment to discuss marketing analysis plan. For objective number 2, the company must establish connection with the healthcare industry like insurance provider and medical equipment distributor. For objective number 3, the target is to be legally accredited supplier for insurance provider in compliance to statutory requirements of insurance provider. With this, the company must prepare and submit required documents by FDA, Medicare, and international trading. And for the last objective, this is to determine the most recent and established data to develop the forecasting model and must identify the most credible data sources that will be the basis for model development.
Finally, this is Julie Ann Mary Seacrest to give you the recommendations and conclusions.
Visualizing Munevo to become an innovative solution for mobility improvement that is globally available and a top choice by patients for improvement of life quality. This will direct the business to be a leader of wheelchair controller worldwide. This case analysis concludes that the best strategies for Munevo are intensified market penetration and product development. Market penetration wherein the company should institutionalize greater marketing efforts in order to increase its market share for its present product in the current market. And product development by expanding its capacity to accommodate a greater number of users. Market penetration could be achieved following the 5 key results area: intensified partnership with distributors, establish quality customer satisfaction, forge business rapport, continuous innovation of product technology, and the 5 years production model.
To have a one-notch higher analysis of the case, it is advisable to embed sustainability initiatives of selecting suppliers through guidelines established by GRI Index.
Munevo will stand firm on its ground given the analysis conducted. At the end of it, it will soar high to meet their very core objective of improving life quality.
Thank you for this opportunity and this great experience.
Remember, a big business starts small.
We hope all the best for your company.
And this ends our presentation.
Laos Deo Semper.